People's United Party leader John Bresenio, senior counsel Eamon Courtney, and a coterie of party faithful descended on the Supreme Court, anticipating that their comrade, area representative for Cayo South, Julius Espat, would be released from the order of Speaker of the House of Representatives Michael Peyrefitte and be able to join them at the next meeting of the House this coming Friday. But it was not to be. Chief Justice Kenneth Benjamin struck out Espat's claim, accepting the application advanced by the Speaker and his attorneys, Deputy Solicitor General Nigel Hawke and Agassi Finnegan, that Espat had not proven that his constitutional rights had been violated, that he had not taken advantage of the remedy provided for in the standing orders of the House to alleviate his purported suspension, and that the judiciary, respecting the doctrine of separation of powers, should not place itself in parliamentary affairs.
Clearly, the client is disappointed, has expressed the desire to proceed with an appeal. Disappointed because we did not feel that this was a clear-cut case where the judiciary could not intervene in parliamentary affairs, especially since there is serious allegation of breach of fundamental rights and the Speaker not lawfully suspending the Member of Parliament for Cayo South.
Espat claimed he is the victim of a rigged system, the judiciary aside.
It's a good thing for people to see. I mean, this has been played out on the television. Everybody saw what happened. And so it's very disappointing. It's very disappointing because I am not defending Julius Espat in this case. I am representing thousands of people. And the system is the problem. I insist, I have been insisting from the day we are fighting against a system that is holding us down. And if it's holding a representative down, imagine how it's holding the regular man on the ground out there down. And so we will continue our fight because it is a just one.
But respecting that the case is about more than political victories, Speaker Peyrefitte appears ready to extend the olive branch, even if not in time for Friday.
There is no victory here. I mean, I take no pride or any joy in having the people of Cayo South without their representative in the House. That's not a good thing. But the House has rules, and I believe that members have to follow those rules. And hopefully, indeed, the alternative remedy could be invoked, and there could be some continued discussion on both sides of the House to bring the member back as quickly as possible.
While Speaker Peyrefitte is prepared to resolve the matter if called upon as early as Friday, he will not tolerate any disturbance. Nevertheless, the always forthright Espat says he will be ready for anything.
I did not foresee what would have happened the last time, and I am not foreseeing what will happen this time, but I will be there. So we will see what will happen.
But are you prepared to go?
I'm always prepared, and I will never back down. So that's not even a question in my mind.
So you're prepared for a repeat, to be dragged out?
Well, if this is a boxing ring, I'm here to box.
It's very unfortunate that he said what he said, but I'm hoping that cooler heads will prevail and he would not go there against the orders of the House, and in light of the ruling that the court is not going to hear his issue. What the court essentially is saying is that you members of Parliament, along with the Speaker, sit down and work it out for yourselves. I can't see how that would help, but the rules are also clear when a member is suspended, and we will just have to do what we have to do to ensure that the rules and the orders and the rulings of the House are upheld.
Aaron Humes reporting for News 5.